So hey, I want to give you a studio tour and show you kind of what my production area looks like. So here it is. I'm Tech Troublemaker, and watch this. So here is my Rode Streamer X, which I use to allow my microphone to come in XLR, and also I'm using the video capture functionality. This is my Sony ZV-10, and currently I am doing 4K 30 with that. And then here is my Shure MV7 microphone. I used to have a Blue Yeti. Don't make fun of me. The Blue Yeti was awesome. I love the Blue Yeti. This is before Logitech got hold to it. Here is my Loupedeck S. I got this off of Kickstarter, so got a good deal on it. I do use it for editing in Final Cut Pro. It does that very well, having shortcuts like that for Final Cut Pro. I also use it with Ecamm to adjust volume levels for my sound as I'm live. Here is the Stream Deck XL, which I love this thing. I had the 15 button one, and I kept having to do pages. I had like 5 pages on that. It was making me crazy, but now that I've gone to the 32 button, I hardly ever have to change pages. I managed to get it all on one screen. I don't know how that works, but I do. So I have a Ulanzi, this stand lets me, kind of move the camera around any way I want. Then I have this screen up here, which I use as my confidence monitor sometimes. So I have a screen here that I use as my confidence monitor sometimes. It's off right now, so I don't have any confidence. Here is a small rig, RC120B. This is a fantastic light. I love this light, and I have this parabolic softbox Bowens mount that I put on the front of that. Works real well. Here I have a newer 660 Pro. This is an RGB. It's got the little barn doors on the front of it. I had to put a newer softbox on the front because it was just too bright. Even turning it down, the light seemed too bright, and I was having some hot spots. So I did the softbox, and that took care of a lot of it. I have Govee light curtains. I have 2 of them, and they are connected together network-wise, and so I can have them do all kind of cool stuff while I'm live, and you often see me use these during my live streams. Here's my Funko Pop collection. I have lots of Ted Lasso. I have Princess Leia. I have Beth Harmon from Queen's Gambit. I have also a Hamilton Funko Pops. I have a Michael Jordan Funko Pop. And then I have Ecamm. And then you have some coffee mugs. This is from my merch shop. So here I have a BB-8. Here I have dinosaurs. I have this crazy notion of doing a stop motion thing. So here's my on-air light. So here is Google Mini. There's Batman. And so that's my setup. I do have I needed a new office chair. Mine became completely uncomfortable, so I got this Titan from Secret Lab. I have an Ecamm pillow. Very pleased with that. So, because I'm such a big fan of Ecamm. And so that is my studio tour. Then I log into my Mac. You'll see that I'm a big fan of Final Cut Pro. I use Final Cut Pro to do all my editing, and so you'll see I do various projects in here. I've got a lot of plugins that I've gotten over the years. I'm a big fan of Motion VFX's plugins. They seem to behave the best of the ones I've used, and they make it easier to do a lot of cool things, keep lots of shortcuts and lots of social media stuff. So big fan of that, love that. And that is my studio. I have Magic Mouse, but I'm a big fan of the Logitech MX3, which is also great for doing Final Cut Pro. But that is my studio. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, I would be humbled if you would subscribe to my channel. That would be great. Hit that like button. There's more coming. Thanks for watching.